Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming on to share with you a card kit all glammed up. It's one of the older card kits, but I just want to do a card kit series on my channel for this beautiful collection. I really love crafting products, so I just had to get this one. So I'm going to share with you what's inside. So this one's a little bit different. It's just all the pieces you need to create 3 cards and step-by-step instructions. There's no extra pieces, just what you will see that I show. Okay, so what you get is this fabulous shoe, which I just love, and it's embossed in gold, and it makes a shoe card, which is really pretty. So it's already die cut like that, so it just opens up. So I really love that. You get some sparkly glitter. Love that pretty glitter. So that's the first card. Okay, and they have 2 different style shoes, so this is the style you get. Alright, and then you get some frills. Love the frills in this color. And you get some flowers. It looks like some roses, but you can make the flowers in a different design. It's not necessarily a rose, it's just some blossoms. And this is how they look. So I'm just going to take them out so you don't get all that glare. Now you can make them any color you wish. They don't necessarily have to be pink. It's stamped out in pink, but you can make them darker if you want. Okay, so this is how they look. Alright, so that is what's inside for that card. And then there's a duress card, which I love. I have this collection, so really excited to make this card. I don't have the papers, so this will be fun just to get some ideas for cards. So this is stamped out in gold. Really pretty. Really excited to have this one. So here it is again. Just love that. And then it's a card that opens from the side like that. And then here's some paper. So it's a layering piece, and then this one says celebrating your special day. So it just layers like that. And then there's some extra flowers that I showed you previously that you will decorate to make this card. Really love that. Okay, so that's that card. And then the final card, which I'm not familiar with where this collection comes from, so this is a previous collection that I'm not seeing yet. I don't have every Heartfelt Creations thing, so this will be nice to make this card with this beautiful set. So I do have this one, so it opens up like this. Okay, and then you get this piece to layer, and this piece, and then you'll have to pop out these pieces and cut out that design, and then it's going to look like this. So really fun there, and then you layer on some flowers. So really love that. Really cute. So interesting how they got that to make it look like this. So I'm going to have fun with this one. So that's the card kit for All Glammed Up. I hope you're excited and looking forward to the series on this one. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.